Welcome to JSS Academy of Technical Education, Bengaluru. We are driven by the morality led by late Pontiffs and His Holiness Shri Shri Shivaratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji, Sutturmat. JSS ATE is the premier institute among 300 other institutions of the JSS Mahavidyapitha, Mysuru. We are placed in the band of 250 to 300 in NIRF ranking, and we are ranked as a gold category institute in QSI gauge ranking. We, the Department of ECE, have a vision of enabling the students to achieve academic excellence at par with premier institutes and to meet the requirements of industry and research. There are 35 faculty members in the department with 11 doctorates, 4 professors, 7 associate professors and 24 assistant professors, along with technical staff. And the department is headed by Dr. Siddesh GK. We have well-equipped and advanced labs for technical projects and research activities. The department is facilitated with spacious and ventilated e-classrooms and well-flourished department library. The department is also committed in the integral growth of the students as professionals by providing opportunities and facilities for learning beyond curriculum. To ensure the exposure of students to the real-time industry and challenges, we have inked 4 MOUs with the industries. Our professors are keen and dedicated in obtaining various government-funded projects to continuously improve and enhance research infrastructure in the department.
I wanted to gift something to my dad. He is a farmer. I gifted him a robot, big robot.
So happy that I made my college proud by entering its name in Limca Book of Records and by giving a patent to it.
This is a glimpse of available resources and achievements of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. We are enriched and empowered by the ethics and moralities led by His Holiness. The faculties of the department are highly qualified and motivated to bring out the best in students to become a better professionals and ready for industrial challenges.
I love this institution because it nurtures my talent.
We are the new age of developers,
finders,
pioneers,
explorers,
humanitarians.
We are the new engineers.